The Roku Smart TV 55-inch is about to change your entertainment game forever. Imagine having a personal movie theater in the comfort of your own home, where every show, sporting event, and even subtle scene changes are optimized for breathtaking clarity. That's what you get with this incredible 55-inch smart TV from Roku. And let me tell you, it's not just about the pictures, it's about creating an immersive experience that will leave you hooked. First off, let's talk about the picture quality. This isn't your grandma's TV, we're talking 4K resolution here, which means you get razor-sharp details that bring movies and TV shows to life like never before. And with Dolby Vision IQ, you'll be treated to rich, accurate hues that pop off the screen. It's truly stunning. But it's not just about visuals, the Roku Smart TV 55-inch also boasts an impressive audio system. With Dolby Atmos, you'll feel like you're right in the action, surrounded by room-filling sound that will make you jump out of your seat. And with side-firing speakers, you get a truly immersive experience that's hard to match. Now, let's talk about gaming. If you're an avid gamer, this TV is a must-have. With FreeSync Premium Pro, LLM, and VRR, you'll enjoy blistering fast refresh rates and tear-free gameplay that makes the difference between winning and losing. It's like having your own personal game room right in the comfort of your home. But what really sets this TV apart is its ability to clean up incoming TV signals and optimize them for your screen. With Roku Smart Picture Max, you get a picture-perfected viewing experience that's tailored specifically to your TV. No more juggling multiple remotes or fiddling with settings, this TV has got it all taken care of. And then there's the remote. It's fully rechargeable and comes with hands-free voice controls and backlit buttons, making it easy to navigate even in the dark. Plus, it's super slim and compact, so you can stash it away without taking up too much space. But here's the thing, this TV isn't just about having fun, it's also incredibly smart. With seamless integration with your favorite streaming services, you can access all your favorite shows and movies with just a few clicks. And with easy wireless upgrades for immersive surround sound and heart-pounding bass, you'll be creating the ultimate home theater experience in no time. So what are you waiting for? The Roku Smart TV 55-inch is ready to revolutionize your entertainment game. Click that link below to get yours today and start enjoying a world of stunning clarity, immersive audio, and endless fun.